You know, I just wanted to show you the importance of choosing a frame that fits your painting. I've given paintings to people and then I see them later and they framed them with something that didn't really complement the frame. Well, I have in mind using this barnwood frame for this barn because I think it's so neat, because it's the barnwood, it's raw, and so it'll be matted and put under glass and everything. But I think it's interesting to choose. Now I think I'm going to work on this color just a little bit and make it a little bit more brown. I'll work on it with some paint, just not a lot. I don't want to cover the place where it's rough, but I just wanted to show you this. I just think it's interesting to see what you can do, and it really is important to complement your painting. Don't try to do your picture so that it's just to match your house. Like if you have dark cherry wood, don't put this painting in the dark cherry wood frame because it wouldn't fit the painting. So try to choose your framing so that it fits the painting. Thank you. I hope that helps you when you go to choose a frame for your picture that you're painting today. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like, and I'd appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Thank you.